Welcome to Larne Port in Northern Ireland. I arrived into Larne Port on the ferry from Cairnryan. I'll put a link to the video I made on this ferry journey in the description down below. Today we are taking a train from Larne down the coast to Belfast city centre. We will be travelling with Northern Ireland Railways, on board one of their class 4000 diesel trains. On board the train, there is a selection of table and airline style seats. As the train was fairly quiet, I chose a backwards facing table seat. I sat on the left hand side, as this gives you the best views of the coast. After stopping at Larne town station, we pass by Larne Lough. Larne Lough is a sea loch which lies between the Islandmagee Peninsula and the mainland. We continue to follow Larne Lough and get views of the Islandmagee Peninsula in the distance. The Islandmagee is a peninsula on the east coast of Northern Ireland.
The next stop is Ballycarry. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform when leaving the train.
It is located between the towns of Larne and Whitehead. Journey time from Larne Harbour to Belfast is 1 hour and 5 minutes. There is an hourly train service between Larne and Belfast. Our next major stop en route is the town of Whitehead, which has some nice traditional station signage. The section of track between Whitehead and Carrickfergus offers the best coastal views. Next, we pass by the Kilroot power station. Kilroot power station is a fossil fuel power plant on the north shore of Belfast Lough. After stopping at Whitehead station, we follow alongside the M2 motorway. The M2 is a motorway which runs between Antrim and Belfast.
The next stop is Yorkgate. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform when leaving the train.
This section of motorway was once the widest in the whole of the UK. On the approach into Belfast, we get a great overview of the city's skyline. Here we cross the River Lagan on the Dargan Bridge. On the approach into Belfast Great Victoria Street, we pass by the new Belfast Grand Central Station. Great Victoria Street Station permanently closed on the 10th of May 2024, just 3 days after I recorded this video. The station has been replaced by the new Grand Central Station that we just passed by.
Very long term for the City Hospital, Mechanic, Landing Place, Yorkgate, Mossy West, Wednesday, Ballymena, Polyactive, Ballymoney, Cairnryan, Castlebrook, Berberina, and Derry.
I paid £15 for a Zone 3 travel card for 1 day. This gave me unlimited travel within zones 1 to 3 on the TransLink network, including my return journey from Larne to Belfast. We finish this video at Victoria Square Shopping Centre. Victoria Square is the main shopping centre in Belfast. It has lots of impressive architecture inside, including this grand looking staircase. It also has this impressive glass dome roof in the middle. Have you ever visited Belfast or Larne before? Where should I travel to next? Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe if you want to see more of my travel adventures. It is totally free to do so. If you would like to support my channel, you can find a link to my donation page down below in the video description.